Hi guys, this is Noah Weepers and I hope you guys are having a great day. So here you join us on the Sunshine Coast, Australia. That's supposedly supposed to be sunny, but yeah, it's raining today. But we're at Kuluin Mufflers today and they've generously decided to sponsor a YouTube video for me. And that video entails changing the downpipe to a fabricated one that will increase horsepower and, you know, a bit nicer exhaust note than the factory exhaust. And also we're getting a high flow catalytic converter that will remove some of the restriction that the stock exhaust has. And yeah, I'm super excited and super keen to get this done, so it should be a good video. So this is a 2008 Volkswagen Polo GTI. It has a 1.8 litre turbocharged motor that's currently been tuned and is running 17 pounds of boost from the stock KO3S turbocharger installed from factory. People often say that engineers design a great engine, but then the people on the team of board, or whatever you want to call it, at Volkswagen, they try to bring down the emissions. So that's what they did with the exhaust. So today we're going to remove what they put on and we're going to see some benefits. The bolts securing the flange at the top of the downpipe to the turbocharger were first removed. This was the first step to removing the front half section of the factory exhaust. I've been waiting for this day for like 2 months and I just could not sleep last night, eh? So excited to see what this sounds like. Hey, how are ya?
Good mate, good. I'm Luke.
I'm Noah, nice to meet you.
Today we're playing with your super duper Volkswagen here. So Anthony's already started fab work on this car. We're doing a high flow dump pipe today. So this is your new cat converter.
Oh, I'm so keen.
Which is considerably smaller than this big fellow. So this is a 100 cell metallic high flow cat converter, which basically means it is going to flow a very large volume of air. It's a full metallic core, so it's going to withstand heat and horsepower all day long. Yep. You can really abuse these little fellows and they'll take it. So pretty cool bit of kit. Can we get a close up? Cool. All right, I think we should cut this up.
Yeah, sure.
All right, cool.
So is that just a heat shield?
It's actually shielding it from the road.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah, it sits in your car like that.
Yeah.
I'm not entirely sure why they decided a shield on the bottom was a good idea. Yeah. They usually get little rocks caught up in them. Yeah. And make bad rattling noises.
Yeah,
so.
it would be pretty annoying.
It's a Volkswagen thing, like all the way back to the early transporters as well. Really? They do the same. Yeah,
true.
And your transporters they're an all-wheel drive, so they usually go off-road and they'll come back in here full of rocks. Everyone's like, oh, it's rattling.
I wonder why.
Yeah.
Yeah. How many cats have you cut open before?
Not many. Nah. Usually if there's something wrong with them or they're failing, we'll cut them just for curiosity's sake. Yeah, true. But generally, no. Alright, the long and the short of this little fellow is, you can see some at the end of it here now, I've cut it. This is in 2 pieces. There's actually 2 cat converters here.
Yeah, no wonder it's restricted, eh?
Oh, massively.
It's ridiculous.
They have to meet emissions, especially European cars.
Yeah.
So it's just part and
They
parcel.
still managed to get caught though, didn't they?
They did, yeah, they did get a lot of trouble there, didn't they?
Yeah.
So you've got two cores here. The first one is a smaller one. This one's obviously quite larger, and they're what they call a Euro 4 standard.
Yep.
So they're the latest and greatest. There is Euro 5 now, but Euro 4 is the most common. Hugely restrictive core, but they meet emissions, so it is what it is. All right, well, let's cut it straight in half, I reckon.
Yeah, sure.
Unfortunately, you can't see this as well as I'd like to. The teeth on that saw are a little bit blunt, and they've dragged the face a little bit.
Yeah.
But you can see how dense that is.
Yeah.
So can we zoom in on that fellow? So yeah, just the core in this is a lot more open.
Yeah, true.
Not so good for emissions,
Yeah.
but fantastic for horsepower.
Yeah.
So he's our friend.
While we were having fun with my factory cat converter, Anthony was hard at work fabricating the new downpipe and mid-pipe with the new high-flow catalytic converter. All the pieces of the fabricated exhaust were first tacked on the car, later to be welded on the bench.
The hard bit's done, so we're just going to pull it out, weld in a port for the O2 bung, and weld the hanger brace back on. Yep. Pretty much it. So that's it before welding. So that's it, just all tacked together. Yep. These will get cleaned down before we weld it up.
Sure.
And
That's it. Way less restrictive.
that's where the first O2 sensor goes.
Yep.
And that is where the secondary O2 sensor goes, or the cat sensor.
Yep.
Annoyingly enough, my nicest welds were the very, very last ones I did.
No,
That's
okay.
usually the way. So yeah, that's it. Flexi, fitting for the O2 sensor. Tag.
Got a flex.
That's it. And your high flow cat.
Oh, that's
And
sick.
this is the cat sensor extension.
Oh, yeah, cool.
So this has catalytic material inside it.
Yeah.
And that basically just tricks the ECU into thinking that your factory cat's still there.
Yeah. Yeah, right. That's sweet. At this point, the fabricated exhaust was being put back onto the car, making sure all the original bolts go back where they came from. It's definitely a lot deeper than it was. Sounds awesome. Sounds awesome.
Yeah, you go. Little engine feels happy.
Thanks so much, mate. Thanks so much for all this.
No worries, man.
Awesome.
Excellent.
Yeah.
I'm glad you're happy with it. It's been a fun morning.
Yeah,
so
it has. Yeah.
It's super cool to get in and have a bit of fun with cars and play around and do something different for YouTube. So that's always cool. We are Kuluin Mufflers. We are here on the Sunshine Coast. Anything exhaust related, we're always down to do. So come on, say hello to us.
yeah guys, if I had my time again, this would definitely be the first modification I'd make to this car. You know, I rushed in, I got the tune, got the blow off valve, got the air intake, but nothing has made a bigger difference to how this car performs than this high flow catalytic converter and downpipe. The boost just comes in instantly. It's actually pretty scary sometimes, you know, whereas before you would put your foot down and, you know, gradually it would come in and then you'd get your boost, whereas now you put your foot down and boom, you get your boost straight away. So I'd just like to thank Kuluin Mufflers and everyone who's made this video possible. I'm so thankful for it all. I wouldn't be able to do it without anyone, and I wouldn't be able to do it without the support of my subscribers and the people that watch my videos. So thank you guys, and I hope you guys have a great day. Please like and subscribe.